Warrior Cats, they have a new update today of Warrior Cats. So, we need to get accessories for, do we hunt something? I don't know. I hunt really low. You should see me next time if you want to join me. Well, I have a broken leg. Look at my leg. Broken. I've added some colors to it, and then it looks awesome. Oh, then let me crouch. I'm gonna hunt something extremely possible way. I'm gonna hunt a mouse. It is right there. I keep catching it. Well, kind of disappeared. Well, a warrior cat just went through. Well, let's just go, and here we are. The clan, Ice Clan or Snow Clan? I don't know. What is Snow Clan? I can't remember Snow Clan. What the third nation is going on? We need to find out. Are we gonna get things? So we're gonna find out. Well, we're gonna do that today. Do you want me to ask him, bro? This is gay. I didn't notice that. Okay, she said no. We need to find out which one we have. I don't know. Burrow. We need to find out if they're a mystery or not. I need to find out. I'm not kidding. I need to find out what accessories to get for it. I need to find out about that today. I'm not kidding. I need to find that out. Things get weird. And there's a dead bird inside of the nothing. Let's go back to our clan. I'm just following him where he's going. No, it was my last chance. You got me, bruh. You trying to catch a bird. Get over here. Get over here. Not even funny, bruh. Fuck you. Sorry, bro. I had to hunt a rabbit. It's my only chance to hunt the rabbit. Hunting the bird seems hard. I don't know why. I was trying to catch a bird. He took it. He said, Haha. Oops. Like, what the fuck? You're mean. I shouldn't say that. We need to figure out where is he at. I got a snow bunny. See? The snow bunny. Let me show you. The snow bunny. Snow bunnies are like snowy. I don't know what accessories are we gonna get. Or not. Maybe. We need to do something about that. I need to find the cave. Where is the cave? I can't show you it. It's over here, right here. What in the fuck are you? Okay, you scared me. Thank you, sir, for scaring me. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Jesus, Lord. What the freak? Why is there a reindeer here? And then why is there a cat over here? I shouldn't say that. Because I did. We have this cat, I don't know. We can't go out because it's already blocked. I wonder what's the outside world looks like. I don't know. We better go back where we came from, but let's see. Wow, I'm so tired. Oh god. I'm like swimming underwater. It does that every time. Fucking mouse. Come here, little mousey. Come here. Come here, little mousey. I will kill you with my claws. Disgusting. Okay, we should go. Yeah, what are we supposed to do exactly for this channel? There's a freaking bird of the middle of nowhere. Like, look at this bird. It's beautiful. Nuh-uh. It looks nothing like me. I like birds. I like everything. There's a squirrel. You can catch. And then this cat. And this cat just came up to me and keep looking at the bird. The bird does that. It's like twisting his head back and forth like that. I don't want to talk about that. Okay. Ooh, a shiny shell. Ooh, another shiny shell. Oh god. We have logs, maybe. Well, the sort of making channels. There's a log cat. We have, what is it? We have this cat, and that cat. I can't even see in the dark. Oh, we have the girl, the beautiful one. She said, "Are you beautiful?" I can't stop laughing. Like a thing. I don't know. It's hard for me to say it. We have this guy. I was looking for him everywhere, and then I found him. So I did. It was super easy to find him. He was behind that rock thingy. So it looks like it. We have the Oh my god, you have a broken leg like mine! Yippee! Like seriously, yippee. I can't believe he has the same foot as mine. No, it's not the color of mine. It's like a broken leg. If you get broken, I snapped mine. He did it. Wait, what the hell was that? The bird just flew. What the? Wait, what was that? The bird just flew. We should have had something. Ah, a mouse. Oh wait, it's right there. Got a mouse free. Oh, my arms are tired from this game. Hey, give me my mouse back. Give me my mouse back. That's not yours. Give me it. Give me it. That's not your mouse. I hate that, bro. He took my mouse. Well, I'm gonna get another one. Don't worry, I'm good. He took mine. He took mine yesterday. Another mouse. I need to stop crying. The bird is right there. What the? I can hunt it. That's too far away. Just eat it already. I'm eating it. We have the bird. Well, I didn't catch the mouse, but I didn't. So we're gonna hunt it. Took my mouse away from me. Smoke attack. Okay. Isn't that? Womp. I pounced on it. It's a white mouse again. I don't like white mouses. I need a brown mouse. Please help me to find a brown mouse. Please. Like, seriously, I need help. I don't need a brown, white mouse. Is that a cat? Why are you swimming in the middle of nowhere? With my feet. I'm like a shark. I'm like a shark. I'm like a shark. You can't go through here. Or climb or anything. Mountains. Well, maybe it was fun. Mountains. I like mountains. I'm afraid to fight up mountains. Go. Oh wait. Dude, I fucking got it. What the fuck? You got it. What the fuck? I hope you liked this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. I messed up. Why is there a bunny in the middle of nowhere? Okay. Hold on. I hope you like this channel. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.